The meaning of elegant. Elegant is an adjective. It's pronounced elegant with emphasis on the first syllable. Definition: something or someone having graceful beauty, refined simplicity, and tasteful style. Here are some illustrated sentence examples. The sentence reads, Audrey Hepburn's look and elegant style from the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's has become a symbol of classic Hollywood sophistication and continues to influence fashion today. Here the description graceful beauty, refined simplicity, and tasteful style are well portrayed. Here's another example. The sentence reads, one of the most elegant cars ever designed is widely considered to be the Jaguar E-Type, praised for its breathtaking beauty and engineering advancements. Before looking at a third example, a quick reminder: get new additions to the Illustrated Dictionary. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. For our final example, let's enter the world of cuisine. The sentence reads, honey ricotta toast feels elegant in its simplicity and flavor. The creamy ricotta, the crunch of the bread, and the sweetness of the honey come together in a way that feels refined yet effortless. So elegant is a good word to add to your vocabulary. Remember, elegant means something or someone having graceful beauty, refined simplicity, and tasteful style. Synonyms include graceful, refined, sophisticated, stylish, tasteful, chic, classy. Common collocations are elegant design, elegant dress or gown, elegant style, elegant look, elegant simplicity, elegant touch, elegant gesture, elegant functionality. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.